Okay, so this is a really pretty color rose that I picked up at the wholesaler recently. You can see on the tag there that they're called Coffee Break. Really pretty, kind of orangey to peachy yellow tone. Towards the base of them, they've got more of a yellow color, which is kind of interesting. The insides of the petals are really pretty. And then you can see on these roses, like this one for instance, how we've got these dark kind of curled petals on the edge. That means it's getting old. It might have gotten a blast of cold at one point in its journey, getting over here probably all the way from Ecuador. So we're going to need to pull off some of these outer petals, these kind of uglier petals that you see on the outside, or at least the florist sees. See that beautiful green down the middle of that petal? Isn't that pretty? Normally we just take these off, either just before or just after we do a design. They grow there on the rose to protect its petals from weather and animals and all kinds of things that can happen to it in nature. It's kind of a natural protective coat that it grows on the outside. And then I was going to show you over here a little bit about color combination. If you look at the color wheel, as in any type of design, there are different combinations of the color wheel that you can do. We're looking at this one right here, which we call triadic. So you're taking color from 3 equidistant sections of the color wheel, basically. So if you can see this, you've got the purple, green, and your orange. And so if we were thinking about designing with these roses, and we wanted to try to figure out, what colors to put with them, again, if we look at this triadic recipe, I guess it would be a way to put it on the color wheel. We could think about using the oranges with some purples and green. And so if we look at adding, this is an aster. I wouldn't necessarily put this with these roses because I don't know that I like that bright yellow up next to the orange. But you can see how pretty the orange and purple contrast each other. The one makes the other show up more because of the contrast between the two. And then if we brought in some green, this is some variegated pittosporum, and you can see how well, now the orange is even prettier, and you notice the detail even more because we've got the purple and the green with it.